Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to the eTeach Consult Diaries. Today we are going to look at how to highlight rows based on cell value. Assuming we have a data like this and we want to highlight a row based on a cell value, and this time we want to highlight a row based on the sales rep name. So assuming that we want to highlight all rows where the sales rep name is Fred, how do we go about this? We select the range where we have the data. We go to Conditional Formatting. We go to New Row. We go to Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the dialog box, we introduce our equal sign. We introduce our $sign in cell B, or in the column B. That's where we have Fred, and Fred is in cell B3. So we are saying that in a situation where B3 is equal to Fred, we close our inverted comma or quotation mark. We are saying that when this condition is true, we should format it or give that particular row a color, light color green. Click on OK. We click on OK again. Automatically you will see that at all situations where we have Fred to be the sales rep name, that particular row is colored gray. You can see that. We can even go further and update our data by going to Conditional Formatting, going to Manage Rules. Assuming now we don't want to really highlight Fred, maybe we want to now highlight Efia. We go to Edit Rules. So where we have the Fred, we can change the name to Efia. Click on OK. We say Apply the rules. Okay, automatically you'll see that now Efia is highlighted for where we have the sales rep to be Efia. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on eTeach Consults.